Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block someone in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to block someone in Oculus, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have opened the app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. After you tap on menu, you need to now tap on people, and once you have tapped on people, you need to go in the search bar and type in the person's name whom you want to block. So once you have searched the person you want to block, they will appear right in front of your profile once you type in the correct name. So now you need to tap on the three dot option right beside the name and tap on the block option. Then you need to confirm the blocking by tapping on block once again, and this will let them be blocked on your Oculus account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.